Hi everyone, today I will show you how to turn on auto updates of your Sony headphones app. Here's how to do it. At first, we have to turn on our headphones with this button over here. As you can see, they are working now. Secondly, we have to open our app and click connect. It might take a while. Okay, here is our app. Our phone is connected now with our headphones. So, we have to click the System tab. We have to go all the way down. And there's a button, Download Software Automatically. We have to enable this. And now our app will automatically download software for our headphones. Here's how to do it. That's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Goodbye.